Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a very interesting math problem that looks simple, but still many people fail to solve this because they did not take the right approach. So 4 minus 1 bracket 4 minus 1. So I am going to teach you both the thing, what people make mistake and what is the right way to solve this. So it's 4 minus 1 bracket 4 minus 1. They did it like this. It's 3 and it's 3 and 3 times 3 is 9, which is a wrong answer. So 4 minus 1, 4 in bracket 4 minus 1, then you have to follow PEMDAS rule, which is also known as BODMAS rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So as for this rule, first we have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, and addition and subtraction, but both the cases we have to solve it from left to right. So what it means, first solve the parenthesis, so it becomes 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 and put the multiplication sign between. Now we have two operations, that is subtraction and multiplication. So as for PEMDAS rule, we have to give priority to multiplication, so it's 4 minus 3, so which is become 1. So what is the right answer? 1, not 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you learn what people make mistake and you will not repeat this mistake. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.